Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Warframe Mobile and make your gameplay way smoother. Now, if you are experiencing stutters, frame drops, or freezing, the first thing you should check is your internet connection. Warframe is an both online game, so a stable connection is crucial. Now, if you're on mobile data, you want to try switching to Wi-Fi or move closer to your router, pause any downloads or streaming happening in your house, and restart your router if your ping feels unstable. High ping can cause rubber banding and delayed actions in-game. Next, you want to head into the in-game settings and lower your graphics. You want to reduce the overall quality to medium or low and cap your FPS at 30 or 60 instead of pushing it to the maximum. Lower settings reduce the strain on your phone's GPU and CPU, which usually results in smoother performance. You also want to take a look at your background apps before launching the game. You want to make sure that you close them. Apps like YouTube, TikTok, or Chrome can eat up RAM and processing power. Clearing them gives Warframe full performance priority. Another helpful fix is clearing your app cache. Simply go to your settings on your Android phone, then choose apps. You want to find Warframe Mobile and tap clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing slowdowns. And then make sure your game and your Android system are fully updated too. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can reduce lag. And finally, keep your device cool. Overheating causes performance throttling, which leads to lag spikes, so remove your phone case if it traps heat and avoid playing in hot environments. Follow these tips and you should notice a big improvement in smoothness and stability. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!